All right, so welcome back to my channel, guys. You know me well. I'm particular about bringing you guys proper, simple, powerful strategies that will help you make money in this forex market. You make a lot of money for yourself following my strategies. You just have to stay put, make sure that you follow the principles and ensure to practice it perfectly. So you get used to it first before you get to apply it in your life, and then you make a lot of money for yourself, guys. As you can see right now, we are on a trade, and this particular strategy I have used over time, and it's still very valid, very solid, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Stay close, make sure you watch this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that before. Like this video. The more likes, the more it goes to other people. I need a lot of people to see this, to benefit from this. All right, the idea of opening this channel in the first place is to reach as many people as possible, to make sure that many lives are impacted and many people are helped. All right, so make sure you help me achieve this by liking the video, dropping good comments, and of course, if you have been benefited from our strategies, guys. So this is a very powerful one. All right, it's just updated, and the more confidence you have in the market, the more chances you have to win. All right, so this is an updated version of strategy that I have shown you guys before, and trust me, guys, this is very powerful. You don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this, guys. You want to sit put and watch this video till the very end, because there is value from or in every aspect of this video, guys. There is value in every aspect of this video. All right, so this trade that is running right now is a trade we took just about this morning, and trust me, we are making a lot of money already this morning. All right, I can show you guys how we're winning. This is it, guys. We are already in a trade. We're making a lot of profit already, and trust me, guys, we are winning. All right, the theme is winning, guys. We win a lot. All right, we win a lot. We win every single day, guys. All right, there's no day we take a trade that we don't win. Okay, so you can join us, be a part of this platform. All right, this is a life-changing platform. I make sure of this because I am a seasoned trader, and I know my onions. I know everything that I need to do to be profitable, and I try so much to impact this knowledge on a lot of people who are following my channel. So just make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I'm going to drop the link to this channel, our Telegram channel, on the description of this video. So you should just click the link and join us, guys. When you join us, make sure you're not just coming to inspect, to just sit there and watch others make money. All right, be a part of this. We have a movement, and it is VIP winning, and we are winning every single time. We are winning till the end of the year and beyond. All right, guys, so just make sure you stay put to understand what I'm about to share with you guys. As you can see, we make profits every day. Little profits, big profits. We just have to make profits. That's the goal, guys. We close out with profits. You can see this hit our step index, hit our TP. Every single time, guys, we make a lot of profit, guys. You just don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this. But this is not why I'm making this video today. I'm making this video to show you guys a very perfect strategy that can work for you as it works for me and my VIPs, guys. It works for us. So let's get straight to it. All right, I'm not going to take much of your time. I'm just going to go straight to it. I'll show you why I took this trade. And if you follow the principles, you too will be profitable, guys. All right, you too will be profitable. You just have to be able to combine these powerful indicators with your fair knowledge of price action. It's very important that you learn price action. All right, I'm already giving value as regards price action. I'm teaching a lot of people, and let me show you guys. These are testimonies from students who are already making progress. All right, these are people who are barely a month old in the academy. They are making progress, guys. They are making a lot of progress, and I'm happy. All right, so these are the indicators we are going to be needing. You just have to add this up to your MT5. Add this ASAP. We need moving average on your main chart. We need relative strength index on your indicator window. You need envelopes. You need moving average, right? So you're going to want to add your main chart you're going to want to add moving average to your main chart, and this is the settings. All right, period 10, moving average, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel. All right, ensure to add this to your charts. All right, ensure to add this to your charts. All right, so ensure to add this to your MT5. You can see the setting, period 10, moving average, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel. You can see I'm using black because I want it to be visible on my screen. All right, you don't want to use colors that you cannot see clearly. Yeah, so you're done with that. You just simply click done. All right, you just simply click done and it's added to your main charts, right? And then the next indicators you want to add is your relative strength index. You can click the main charts. You can see here, if you click here, you just add your relative strength index. It's going to automatically just create an indicator window 1 for you, right? So these are the settings. Yeah, period 14, apply to close, styles 3 pixel. I'm using white this time because, like I said, you just have to use colors that matches your screen background. Yeah, so I'm using white. I don't want to have too many lines on my chart, so yeah, that's that. So yeah, the levels here, 10 and 90, 10 and 90. All right, you're done with that. You just simply click done, and an indicator window is open for you. You can see here, this is an indicator window 1 here, right here. So yeah, you go ahead and add envelopes. Period 70, shift 0, deviation is 0.900, method is simple, apply to close, styles, you see upper band is 2 pixel, lower band is 3 pixel. I'm using red and green colors. Red represents, for me, you can choose any color of your choice though, but for me, red to me represents the area where I want to be selling from. Yeah, the area where I want to be selling from. And then the green color represents the area I want to be buying from. Yeah, you can see bullish candles shows you you can decide to use any colors though, but my bullish candles are green colors and my bearish candles are red colors. Yeah, so I want it to be very visible and I want you to understand what I'm saying, right? So you're just done with this. You don't need levels for this one. You just click done and we are good. All right, you can see our trade is running in profits, and although we have a little retracement right now, I don't care because I know the market direction. Like I said, you need to have a fair knowledge of price action. This is very important. This is very important. Price action will help you see the market clearly. All right, indicators will only have you confirm what you already have seen in the market, right? Indicators will help you confirm what you already have in the market. What the market is telling you, price action will show you clearly with your naked eyes. You can see it clearly, right? So let's move over to a higher time frame. I usually I go with the 4-hour time frame or daily time frame sometimes. All right, but in this case, let's use 4 hours time frame. I can see right now that the market is in a downward trend. Yeah, you can see this is a high, this is a lower high, this is a low, this is a lower low, and all of that. So if you want to know your market direction, yeah, you want to see a downtrend, this is for crash. All right, this is for crash. Yeah, this is for crash. You want to catch spikes on crash, right? You don't want to be buying, right? You want to be selling, and you don't want to sell when the market is in an uptrend, right? You want to sell when the market is in a downtrend. Okay, you want to catch spikes, you want to sell when the market is in a downtrend. Okay, so as you can see right here, you can see that on the higher time frame, the 4-hour time frame, you can see that I've seen you can see a series of lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and all of that. That shows you a downtrend, right? That shows you a downtrend. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is identify your areas of interest. What do I mean by that? Your areas of interest are areas where reversals occur frequently, right? Where you see multiple reversals at a particular level, that is your area of interest. It's either your support or your resistance. Okay, so you want to identify that using horizontal lines or maybe Fibonacci levels. I don't know how you do yours, but I use horizontal lines most times. I also use Fibonacci levels, right? So you want to identify your supports and your resistance, and the next thing you want to do is wait for the market to come to your resistance. This is you trying to sell. You want to catch spikes on crash, right? You want to wait for price to come to your resistance. All right, that is another reason why you should sell, but it's not enough reason. So while price is at your resistance, you want to see what your candles is telling you from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. You want to see that all of the candles on the, especially the previous candles, you want to see that if you're on the daily time frame, you want to see that the previous day the market was bearish. All right, if you're on the 4-hour time frame, you want to see that in the past 4 hours the market was bearish. Yeah, you do that down to your lower time frame. You can do it. I usually take it down to 15 minutes most times. All right, I don't really care about 5 minutes and 1 minute. I don't really care about them, although sometimes I consider them noise. So I don't really care about 5 minutes and 1 minute. Okay, so you check your candlesticks from the daily time frame down to 15 minutes. If they tell you the same thing, right? Even if they don't tell you the same thing, if the 4 hours tell you the same thing, daily tells you the same thing, 4 hours tell you the same thing, 1 hour tells you the same thing, 30 minutes tells you the same thing, that's enough reason why you want to sell. Remember, the market is in a downtrend. All right, price is at your resistance. You have seen the candlesticks telling you that this market is bearish. Yeah, and those are very good reasons why you should sell. Okay, but remember I said the more confluence, the higher your chances of winning. Okay, so you want to go to your indicators now on a lower time frame, like the 1 minute time frame. Now you want to see what the indicator is saying. All right, so how do you do this? You want to see this is the moving average on the indicator window. The black line is the moving average. So you want to see your moving average at the level 90, right? Remember I said the red line on my RSI represents or the red color I chose represents where you sell from. Okay, so you want to see price, the moving average, come to your level 90. All right, that's enough reason to take a sell, but I still won't sell yet unless I see on my main chart that price has come cross over my moving average on the main chart, like it happened here. You can see price came all the way, dropped, and retested that area, dropped again, and then I took my trade, guys. All right, I took my trade from this level, and you can see we've caught multiple spikes over time, guys. We've caught multiple spikes. All right, you can see how much spikes. This is a lot of profit right here. Of course, that was another spike right there, guys. This is a live spike you just saw right now. All right, that just happened, and it's still gonna happen. Like I told you, that little retracement does not bother me because I know the market direction, I know price action, I know all of that. All right, so the little retracement does not bother me. I don't even care if it retraces a bit. I don't know if you really understand what I'm saying. Okay, I just need you to be able to, incorporate all of these confirmations together. That is another spike right in front of you, guys. Another spike right in front of you. We are making a lot of profit right now. The VIPs are winning. Everybody is winning in my VIP group. All right, so you don't want to miss out, guys. Make sure you practice this. Everything I said works exactly opposite for boom, right? You want to be catching spikes on boom. You want to follow these principles, but the opposite way, right? How do you do this? You want to see the market in a bullish direction. Yeah, you want to go to a higher time frame. You want to see series of higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. All right, you want to wait for price to come to your support this time around, not resistance. Resistance is for crash. Remember, you want to sell when the market is bearish. You want to buy when the market is bullish. So you want to wait for price to come to your support. All right. If price is at your support, you want to check your candlesticks from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. All right. You want to see if they are telling you that price is going to continue bullish. All right. You want to wait for price. You want to go to your lower time frame after that to see that your indicator, your moving average here is at the 10 level this time. Remember the green line I said, the green color I chose here. Remember I said it represents where to buy from. So that's how you do it for boom, and this is how you do it for crash. Guys, you can see we are in a lot of profit. There was another spike. Whoa, that was another spike. A lot of people, we are winning, bro. We are winning, guys. We are winning. We are winning. We are winning. Everybody is winning. Everybody is happy on my VIP group. All right. So just be a part. I'm gonna drop my direct WhatsApp number so you can chat me up if you have challenges. I'm ready to assist you anytime. Just chat me up if you have any challenges, and make sure you practice this on your demo account. Don't take it to your live yet. All right. Make sure you are conversant with all of this on your demo before you even think of, going to your live with it. All right. So I'll be dropping my WhatsApp link. You just click the link. You can reach out to me directly. You can communicate me about your challenges, and I'll be able to explain whatever you are facing, whatever challenges you are facing. I'll be able to educate you and help you, get better, because I want you guys to win. I don't want to win alone, guys. I don't want to be at the top. It's very boring at the top by myself. I want to see a lot of people at the top. I want to see a lot of people make money. All right. So just make sure that you follow these principles, and please subscribe to my channel.